It is 11:47 p.m. on a Thursday. You are sitting on your old couch. The light above you is flickering a little. You have work tomorrow. Your phone buzzes. You pick it up and email a new job offer. You open it slowly, and there it is. $250,000 base salary. You read it 3 times. You screenshot it and send it to your best friend at midnight. For the first time in your life, you feel like you finally made it. All those years of working late, saying no to vacations, eating cheap food, watching other people move forward. It was all worth it. You lie back on that old couch and think to yourself, my money problems are finally over. But here is what nobody told you. Nobody talks about what happens after the big number arrives, because the spending starts almost immediately. The first few weeks feel amazing. You are finally earning real money, and honestly, you deserve it. You worked hard for this. So the decisions start, and every single one of them feels completely reasonable. The first thing, the apartment. You were renting a simple 1-bedroom for $1,800 a month. Nothing wrong with it. It was fine. But you are making $250,000 now. You deserve something nicer. You find a beautiful 2-bedroom in a better part of town. Building gym, underground parking, great views. $4,800 a month. You tell yourself, the gym will save you money on a membership, so actually it makes sense. Then the car. You go to a dealership just to look, just to see what is out there. 2 hours later, you are driving home in a brand new car. $890 a month. Your partner upgrades too. Another $710 a month. That is $1,600 a month just in car payments, for 2 people to get around. Then slowly, quietly, everything else begins to change too. The grocery store you used to go to, too basic now. You start shopping somewhere nicer. Spend about $900 a month on food at home. Restaurants, you used to eat out once or twice a week. Now it is 4 or 5 times. Better places, better food, about $1,200 a month. Clothes, travel, subscriptions, one small upgrade at a time. Nothing feels reckless while it is happening. That is exactly what makes it so dangerous. Lifestyle inflation never feels dramatic while it is happening. It feels like finally living the way you always deserve to live. Okay, let us look at what is actually happening with your money. Because $250,000 sounds like a lot, and it is, but the number that actually shows up in your bank account is very different. After federal and state taxes, your take-home is around $13,500 to $14,500 a month. Let us say $14,000 to keep it clean. Now let us look at where it goes. Rent $4,800, cars $1,600, groceries $900, dining out $1,200, subscriptions $400, travel $800, shopping and clothes $700, utilities, phone, internet $450, health and insurance $600. That leaves roughly $2,500 to $3,000 a month, before any savings goal, before any investment, before any emergency fund. On a $250,000 salary, think about that. You are earning more money than 97% of people in this country. And one unexpected thing, a job loss, a medical bill, a car problem, could still put you in a very difficult place. Making a lot of money and feeling financially safe are not the same thing, and millions of high earners are quietly learning this the hard way. Now let me tell you about Daniel. Daniel is a coworker. He has been at the company for 9 years. He makes $78,000 a year. He drives a 2014 Toyota Camry. The paint is a little faded. There is a dent on the back left side. He eats lunch he brings from home most days. He does not go on big trips. His apartment is simple. Nothing about his life looks impressive from the outside. One afternoon, completely casually, Daniel is talking about his weekend plans. And he mentions, almost like it is nothing, that he just hit a big milestone with his investments. Over $300,000 invested. You go quiet. You feel something uncomfortable move through you. Not jealousy, not quite, something more like recognition. Daniel did not win the lottery. He did not get a huge raise. He did not make risky bets. He just invested a consistent amount every single month for years. Not a dramatic number each time, just consistent. While you upgraded your lifestyle, Daniel quietly invested every month for years. Income changes your lifestyle. Wealth changes your options. Daniel has options. If he wants to leave his job, he can think about it seriously. If he wants to take a year off, he could actually survive it. If something goes wrong, he has a cushion. You are earning 3 times what Daniel earns, and somehow you feel more trapped than he does. It is a Sunday evening. You are sitting somewhere comfortable. The apartment looks beautiful. The lighting is warm. Everything around you looks like success. But you open your banking app, then your credit card, then your investment account. You sit with the numbers for a while, and you do the math on what you actually have, not what you earn, what you actually have right now if everything stopped tomorrow. The number is smaller than it should be, much smaller. You have been earning a top salary for years, and the number is still small. And that is when something uncomfortable becomes very clear. You did not build security. You built a lifestyle that now requires a high income just to maintain. You did not become rich. You became expensive. You think back to that Thursday night, 11:47 p.m., the flickering light, the old couch, that offer letter on your phone. You thought making it meant earning more money. You now understand, real freedom is not about what comes in. It is about how much pressure leaves your life. And right now, even with all this money, the pressure has never been higher. You did not become trapped all at once. The trap was built one upgrade at a time. You spent years trying to look successful instead of becoming secure. Return to the opening moment, the 11:47 p.m. offer letter. Back then, you thought making it meant earning more money. Now you understand, real freedom is not about how much comes in. It is about how much pressure leaves your life. You did not become trapped all at once. The trap was built one upgrade at a time. Final line. Most people think earning more money fixes the problem. It doesn't. It just makes the problem more expensive. Closing echo. You are earning more money than 97% of people in this country. And one unexpected thing could still throw everything off. Lifestyle inflation never feels dramatic while it is happening. Income changes your lifestyle. Wealth changes your options. The spending starts almost immediately. You did not build security. You built a lifestyle that demands to be fed.